Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we will discuss the chapter sound and discuss about the audible and inaudible sound. The human ear can hear the sounds having the frequency range between 20 Hz to 20 kHz or 20,000 Hz. This frequency range of hearing is called audible range. The sound having frequencies above 20,000 Hz and below 20 Hz cannot be heard by the normal human ear. So that are called inaudible sounds. The sound of frequency above the 20,000 and below the 20 Hz sound are called inaudible sounds. The sound in the audible range, that is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, is called sonic sound. Now, what is ultrasonic sound? The sound of frequency which is greater than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. The sound of frequency which is less than 20 Hz is called infrasonic sound. And the sound which is produced by the human beings, which is of the frequency range 60 Hz to 13,000 Hz. Now, some of the animals which produces ultrasonic sounds. Certain animals such as dogs, leopard, monkey and deer can hear ultrasonic sounds. Certain birds like bat can produce and receive the high frequency sound, that is ultrasonic sound. A bat is able to locate any obstacle or insects in its path due to reflection of the ultrasonic waves from the object. Dolphins use ultrasonic sound to locate their prey. Now, what are the applications of ultrasonic sounds? Ultrasonic waves used for homogenizing milk. During this process, the bigger particles of fat are broken down into smaller ones. Another use, ultrasonic waves are nowadays used for preparing many new materials such as alloys, emulsions, catalysts, etc. Ultrasonic waves are used in dishwashing machines. Ultrasonic waves are used to drive away rats and cockroaches, etc. Ultrasonic waves are also used for detecting the flaws, that is crack inside the metal blocks. Ultrasonic waves are used for detecting any deformity in the unborn baby, that is ultrasounds which are used to know the position of the unborn child of a pregnant woman. Ultrasonic waves are also used for determining the depth of ocean. Ultrasonic waves are also used for detecting the presence of submarines, icebergs, sunken ships, etc. In the sea, the technique is called by the name which device is sonar, sound navigation and ranging. Now, how would you describe the structure of the human ear? Actually, the structure of human ear can be divided into three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear, which is called pinna, collects the sound from the surroundings. The collected sound passes through the ear canal. Ear canal is also known as auditory canal and reaches to the eardrum. As the sound waves strikes the eardrum, it starts vibrating. These vibrations are amplified several times by the three bones. The name of the three bones are hammer, anvil, stirrup in the middle ear. Now these amplified vibrations goes to the inner ear. In the inner ear, these amplified vibrations of sound waves are converted into electrical signals by the liquid cochlea. These electrical signals are sent to the brain through the auditory nerves. Finally, the brain interprets these electrical signals into original sound. Thank you.